Hello friends, I am Himanshu and today we are going to understand autofill. Autofill behave differently for different kinds of data types. The first data type that we are going to understand is value. Here a simple value which is 1 has been written, and if I am going to drag it up till the level of 10th row, then let's see what will happen. So here you can see 1 has been copied. Set your cursor over here, you will find autofill options, click, and then you can see by default copy cell means the value has been copied. If you want the fill series option to be happen, then click on fill series. You may find that here the values are coming on a series manner. Another way of doing it, you need to type both the value by yourself like 1 and 2, do the selection of both the cell and do the autofill. If already you have the data which has been autofilled, and here you can see up till the level of 10th row, then you may go here and simply can do a double click. So if I've done the double click, again autofill has happened, but what is the option which has happened? That is autofill. And why is it so? Because you have written two values in an increment manner. Excel has identified the increment value and it has done the autofill by keeping in mind that increment value, and here you can see fill series is happening. If you want that it should come like 1 2 1 2 only, then very simple, go to copy cell and that particular option will come. In order to demonstrate a bit more, I have taken another two value with the increment value of 7, and let's see what will happen. You can see that the fill series is happening by increment it with the value of 7. So these are the options when you are going to do an autofill with value based data. Now the second option is text. Here I have written some text. This is a text, this is not a value, and if I am going to do the autofill, it's very simple, copy option is happening. There is no fill series option in this. Here you can see that alphanumeric, in an alphanumeric manner, this particular text has been written. It has to be written in the manner that alphabets is written first and then the numeric value. And if you are going to do the autofill here, you can see that fill series is happening. Now a scenario is a bit different. Here you can see I have written again some text, and it is in one particular format. The format is that it's in bold and fill color is yellow. Anything works under format which is related to bold, italic, underline, font style, font size, fill color, text color, and alignment options. So this falls under format option and the rest of the things also. Now what I want that particular format, I want to use the same particular format in this data. However, I don't want to change the text. Means I want Sunday, Monday, Tuesday to be remain as it is. So what I will do the autofill. So the format has been autofilled, that's good, but I want to retain the text. So what I will do, I will go here in the autofill option and I will do the selection of fill formatting only. So only format has been autofill. The data has been the data which was there already, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, it is like this only. The another option is just opposite to it. Here I have written ADM1. We have seen previously that what's going to happen if I'm going to drag it. ADM1 will become ADM2, 3 and so on. I want that to be happened, but I don't want this particular format. So again I will do an autofill, go to this option and do the selection fill without formatting, that I don't want the formatting to be happen. So this is the autofill options for value and text. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.